Hi guys, this is Ritika. I started earning at the age of 19. Currently, I'm 23, making about 50,000 per month. In this video, we are going to talk about how I went from 0 to 10k plus followers on LinkedIn and how it is actually helping me to get so many more opportunities. So, before getting into that, let's just understand what is LinkedIn exactly and why building your presence on LinkedIn is so important. Now, a lot of people have this stereotype that LinkedIn is just a job portal or a job hunting platform. People literally think of LinkedIn only when they are looking for new jobs or new internships. But LinkedIn is literally more than that. It is a networking and a community building platform. It is not just a job portal. It is like a place where you show your expertise, you build your community around that expertise, and you are just trying to grow and improve. So when you are posting on LinkedIn, you are literally telling the world that this is what I know, this is what I'm good at, and this is what I can help you with. For example, in my case, I post around marketing, so I get a lot of opportunities for marketing. Like recruiters reach out to me, founders reach out to me, because by reading my posts, they get an understanding that this is what I'm good at and this is what my niche is. Now that you have understood that LinkedIn is not just a job portal, let's talk about what you are actually doing when you post and how will it help you. Now, when you are posting on LinkedIn, you are not just creating content, rather you are building your portfolio and you are building social proof of work. Now, let's say that you are a marketer and you consistently post about marketing strategies, breakdowns, campaigns. Now, after reading your posts, people will automatically assume that this person knows marketing. Now, just imagine this, that your posts are being seen by high profile founders, marketers, recruiters, agency owners, and those people they start engaging with your post. Now, that is not just a piece of content anymore. It is like your portfolio is getting updated every day, and that your portfolio is being seen by, being read by so many high profile people who will eventually give you a job or who will eventually give you some freelance projects. Because when they are looking for a good marketer, they don't have to think about it. They have already seen your work and they will reach out to you. And this is not only for marketing. I have seen a lot of my fellow creators who post about AI automation, they post about finance, they post about HR, they post about hiring, they post about sales tips, anything and everything. Because LinkedIn is a platform where you are building a community of people who belong from your niche. Now that you know why posting on LinkedIn is important and how will it help you to get more freelance gigs or simply get more internships, jobs, let's talk about why did I start posting on LinkedIn and what was my journey like. It's not that my LinkedIn was completely empty from the start. When I just made my profile on LinkedIn, at that time I was like 19 or 20, and I started looking for internships from LinkedIn itself. And when I realized that you can even post, I started posting about my college life. I started posting about the events that I was part of in college. I also started posting about my debate competitions and everything. But I would not post very religiously. I would post once in a while, maybe like after 3 months. Whenever some sort of event happened, I would just post about it. So last year, I realized that LinkedIn is not just a job portal platform. Like till then, even I thought ki whenever I want to apply for a job, I will come on LinkedIn. But then I realized that people actually build their personal brands. I realized that a lot of people are getting freelance work from LinkedIn. Like there are so many agency owners, right, who do ghost writing for founders, who handle the social media account of founders of brands, and all these leads they're getting from LinkedIn. That just made me think that, bro, I'm missing out on a lot of opportunities just because I'm not posting on LinkedIn. And when I saw big creators like Raj Shamani, Ranveer Alabadia also posting on LinkedIn, despite of the fact that they have so many followers on Instagram and YouTube, but they're still trying their best to make a personal brand of themselves on LinkedIn, I realized that this platform will be the it platform for the next 5 years. And just like that, the motivation spark was so high and I began posting on LinkedIn. Now that you know why I started posting on LinkedIn, let's talk about how did I get to that big number of 10,000 followers on LinkedIn. There were two things that have helped me to grow on LinkedIn. Number one is obviously consistency, and number two is clarity. So let's talk about consistency first. Now I would post regularly on LinkedIn. Once I thought that I want to grow on this platform, there was like no going back. First, I would post 7 days a week, and later, when my account reached to 3,000 to 4,000 followers, I would post 5 days a week. And I dropped my post number only and only because it was getting too hectic for me, and my creativity was also dying in between. Now, let's talk about clarity. So I was very clear with what I want to post. I was not only restricted to marketing. I would post about marketing, but at the same time I would also post about like how I am managing it all. Like I was living alone and I was managing my full-time job. I was also managing content creation on LinkedIn, on Instagram. Then I was even working out regularly. So I would also write some motivational posts, some inspirational posts, all of that stuff. And I would post about marketing campaigns, celebrity led brands, all of that stuff. So I knew what I want to post, and my account was never restricted to just marketing. And along with that, it is very important for you to collaborate on LinkedIn with other creators also. Now LinkedIn is not just a platform where you come, you post and you disappear, and overnight you will go viral and you will gain so many followers. On LinkedIn, you come, you engage with other creators, then you do the posting, and then again you engage with other creators. It's a platform that asks you to engage on other people's posts if you want them to engage on your posts, or if you simply just want your post to be seen by more people. Now I hope you guys have some understanding of that LinkedIn is not just a job portal, why you should start posting on LinkedIn, how I started my journey, and how even you can start your journey and even you can grow your account from zero to like n number of followers. And I hope that now after watching this video you will draft your first post and you will hit that post button on LinkedIn. So before ending this video, I have a few tips for you guys to just simplify your journey. Number one is that don't delay posting on LinkedIn. I know you might feel a bit shy. You might feel that there are some of your friends on LinkedIn. You might not have that motivation. But the more delay you do, the more you're pushing your opportunities away. And I know a lot of people follow me from tier 2, tier 3 colleges. And this is a suggestion for you: start building your presence on LinkedIn. See, these little things, right? Making a personal brand, having this LinkedIn presence, having followers on LinkedIn, these things just overshadow your college tag. So this is very important for those people who are from tier 2 or tier 3 college. That was pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you understand what LinkedIn exactly is and motivated you to build your personal brand there. If you guys have any doubts, drop them in the comment box, and thank you so much for watching.